Shiseido's Future Solution LX Eye and Lip Contour Regenerating Cream is a powerful, rejuvenating treatment featuring our exclusive Enmei Herb extract to reduce dark circles and wrinkles around the delicate eye and lip areas. Scoop 2 rice-sized amounts and blend between ring fingers, then smooth the cream around your entire eye and lip areas. Use your ring fingers to gently massage the cream in a circular motion around each eye, starting at the upper inner corner and finishing at the lower inner corner. Repeat 6 times. Next, glide your fingers lightly over and under eyelids and toward the temples. Repeat 6 times. Place fingers above your lips and stretch the upper lip outward. Then place your fingers below the lips and pull up on the corners of the lower lip. Repeat these movements 6 times. Use twice daily, morning and night, as the last step in your skincare routine to address aging concerns around the eyes and lips.